How does it feel today? Another batch is graduating today.
That's what I was just telling them. It feels very good, happy, but a little sad also because I don't want to see them go. So I was telling them that they have to keep in touch with us. And very good students we've had.
Correct. So how in the past, like you've been teaching for years now, so is it a challenge or is it simple teaching students from different backgrounds and different cultures?
Well, every student is a challenge because every student you want to see them transform, with their skills and with their knowledge. So I would say that you enjoy it, you like it, and you cannot take it very mandatory as like, you've been teaching for so long. But yes, I enjoy every batch, I enjoy my whole class, I enjoy the whole group. And they are coming from different backgrounds, they're international students, but we are giving them a very global knowledge which will fit them and make them very independent and financially more secure.
So any favorite students, although you're the faculty here, so faculty doesn't have any favorites, but just to ask, do you have any favorite student of yours?
All are favorite. All of them are special, all of them are unique.
Correct.
They have a very independent way of thinking, and which is the best valued in this university, and the flexibility which they have is understandable because that is what will take them further. And their success means our success, which I've always said.
So with the years passing by, do you see the students getting more smarter, or what changes do you see in the students with the progressing years?
Definitely, I hope they'll get more smarter. Definitely, they're getting more smarter. The university itself is becoming more independent, more renowned, and we have been there for about 10 years, though it's an American course which we follow, but our Indian heritage is so strong, and those are a few of the courses which I take, where the Indian heritage is also applicable to all the students so that they increase their productivity, performance and efficiency.
Just final question, ma'am, how has your experience with the Modi Group Stratford University been till now? How has your journey been?
I have immensely enjoyed it because I've enjoyed teaching. They've given us the flexibility, and then with all the new courses which are coming up, which makes it even more valuable because all these courses are which the Indian universities do not offer. So here it is a much better growth, and rather than just growth for the students, there is also growth for the self.
Your wishes for the passing out students?
All the best. I'm sure they will do well. I'm very confident that they will do well. They just have to apply whatever they've learned, and they have to use their skills, and they have to always remember to learn. Learning doesn't stop.
I'm sure with the faculty like you, they would inherit such things from you and take it further from you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
All right.